Hi y'all, welcome back to another Daiso episode. Today I've bought several of these and I've talked about them before. If you're not familiar, Daiso is a Japanese dollar store chain that's opening all over the country. I've been to 3 of them now here in the Chicagoland area, and it's amazing what they have, and the prices and the quality. But anyway, I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. So this is a kombu seaweed rice ball, which is a very popular thing in Japan, apparently. And this is red bean rice. And I could have sworn I bought a vegetable one, but I can't find it right now. But we're going to operate without. Here's the ingredient or the nutritional information. Stuff like this is very popular in Japan because they get earthquakes and power goes out, and they need stuff they can eat without electricity or gas. So take out the oxygen absorber, the spoon, and the salt from the package. That's all that. Spread the bottom of the bag wide and pour hot or cold water up to the inside line with about 3.7 ounces. If you're using hot water, you zip and let it sit for 20 minutes. If you're using cold water, leave it for an hour. How amazing is that? You can use cold water. And so this is fantastic for backpacking. It's got 8 grams of protein, which you protein people may not be as enthused, but 2 grams of fiber, quite a bit of carbs, which I'm trying to stay away from, but for the benefit of your whatever, I'm willing to try it. So I'm going to get some hot water and zip this shut, take out all the goodies, and I'm not just going to let it sit 15 minutes. Another Daiso find was this foil bag, which is going to be my cozy tote bag type aluminum bag. $2.25. I tried making one of these. It was the perfect size for camp food, the pouches, mountain house and all that. And it actually worked great until I'd left it on a picnic table one day with food, and the crows got into it and destroyed it. I used a dollar store window shade made out of this material, and not just duct tape, the good tape, Gorilla tape, and I was proud of it. Used Velcro at the top. This is zippered for $2.25. You can't beat that. I've tried using one from the Dollar Tree. Their big giant heat or cool bag for $1.25, whatever it is this week. And it worked very well. It's just so big and bulky, where I can use this and actually carry the meals in it. And But anyway, this is where I'm going to put my red beans rice. Red bean rice. The Zuki red bean rice. And see what happens. But before I pour the water in, let's open it for you. It's got the zipper seal, like a zipper bag thing. The spoon is included. And of course the do not eat package. Maybe that was the salt. Maybe this is the salt. I don't know. I have to look closer and figure out what's what. It even includes the salt. That was probably the salt, and this is probably the oxygen absorber. Maybe. I can't see. What's it say? Read it for me. Anyway, and a spoon. And this is what it looks like inside. And you get to see the water line. Let me put some water in it, and we'll go from there. Okay, it's been over 15 minutes. In fact, Alexa, cancel the first or the second timer.
You have 2 timers on this device. A 20-minute timer.
Alexa, stop. Never mind. Stupid device. I was going to wait at least 20 minutes. I've discovered with dehydrated foods, waiting like twice as long usually makes a big difference. But we're speeding things up because turns out this is the salt pack. And the other one was the oxygen absorber. It came with this spoon, but I also have a special pouch eating spork. I need to get a spoon also. I'm not sold on sporks. Fork, spoon, spork. This works, but when you're trying to get down into the bottom edges, I think a spoon might work better. So we'll jump off that bridge when we come to it. So, red bean rice. It actually looks fairly well cooked. Gonna try it without any seasoning first. I actually have rice seasoning downstairs, which is really good. Can't remember if I got that from Daiso or Daiso Life or Walmart, but it gives it a nice flavor. A spork is better for the rice because you can fluff it much better than you can a spoon. There's no flavor, so it definitely needs some seasoning, either the salt or something. But there is no seasoning on the package, on the directions. It's not made to be gourmet. It's meant to be decent and keep you alive. And it does that. The salt will help. Dehydrated nice, or rehydrated nicely. I'm gonna get a bean on there, or two. Can you see that? Can you see? Can you see? Okay, it's falling everywhere, so maybe. Anyway, Alexa, stop. $4, I think, maybe $3.50, something like that. $4, somewhere in that neighborhood. So for what it is and what it does and how efficient it is, on the expiration date, look at that, 2029. This is 2026, so 3.5 years. Can keep this in, and I'm sure it's still edible after that, but this is a great alternative to those $10 and $15 meals that are all the rage. And it's a thumbs up. I'm gonna add some rice seasoning and maybe some kimchi. I love kimchi. And make this a meal. So it's a thumbs up as is, and even better once I spruce it up. And that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching, following, liking, subscribing, sharing. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!